Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch from bright mode to dark mode on TikTok app. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right corner when you see your profile. Then go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. And then I want you to scroll down and click on the section that is called display. There you have it. Now we can switch from light mode to dark mode, and also we can essentially match over here the default mode on our own device. For example, I have dark mode on my device, and if I go over here where it says use device settings, I can toggle this off and I will have dark mode, meaning that the app TikTok automatically matches what I currently have as a mode on my phone. This is advisable, guys, simply because you know how the eyes are very sensitive to the changes in the brightness or the colors, especially when you have extremely bright or extremely dark color. And if you have, like, for example, 5-6 different social media platforms and every platform has different mode, well, the eyes might be very irritated. So it's advisable to have the same theme on your device, on your phone, and within all the social media platforms. So when you switch from one platform to another or from the platform back to your phone, it all will be the same. So the eyes will adjust with the light or with the theme, and you will have no issues with it. But this is how you guys can switch the themes. This is how you can switch the mode from dark to bright to light to dark, and to match your own default theme on your phone. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.